Hi everyone, I'm Abby from the Instagram account This Home Bird. It's a bit of a cold one today, but I'm so excited because we are finally starting work on the outside of our house, and the first part of that is replacing our old front door with a brand new Palladio door. So our door at the minute is a little bit old, it's a little bit outdated, it's been completely battered during our renovation works, so I'm really excited to have something a little bit more modern, a little bit more fresh, and something a little bit more hard wearing. So I think our installer has just arrived, so without further ado, let's get on with the transformation. Okay, so the installers have just gone and here it is, the finished result. I think it looks amazing. I couldn't be more pleased with it. I'm really pleased with the colour. I think it's beautiful. The door design that we went for has worked really, really well, and the details are just incredible. I don't know if you can see, but we've got a really subtle wood grain in the door, which is really, really lovely. So come with me and we'll have a look at it from the outside. So as you can see, it has completely transformed the house. I'm so happy with it. I love the way it's all been finished off. The knocker, the door handle, it's all beautiful, really, really good quality. And I'm just so pleased that we've managed to get this done before Christmas. I think I just need a nice wreath to finish it off perfectly now. But before I go and do that, I just wanted to say thank you to Palladio for making this whole process so easy. From designing the door using their door designer tool, all the way through to them choosing the installer local to me. So thank you, Palladio, and I'm going to go and enjoy my new front door now.